Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Lesotho 0. I'm joined by Takutso.
Tibo my brother kunjani?
Nandi.
Tingibulise Bab Mageba. Ngibulise Zweli. Talent. Asanda. Cox. Ngibulise Ntona Nkulunkulu Ntona Khanyani.
Yes sir.
Taps. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting our FANS Wethu TV, fighting no one, trying to fix South African football. Stivo.
I'm not reading.
No.
All the time.
Fighting no one, trying to fix South African football. Stivo, look, firstly, compliments to Bafana, who came in today in the manner that they applied themselves. It was a brilliant game. Firstly, it was unfortunate for Nico Mobi, who was substituted in the first minute. Speedy recovery to him. And then I think we must give credit to Mdunyela, who came in the first half, was very tight in the first half. He did prove to us that at least we have additional right backs. When in the absence of Modau, we can have guys who can come and assist us. So I think he did a very brilliant job today. Then you speak about Muloisan, who was playing at the defense today. I think the guy is playing his second game for Bafana. Did very well. Unfortunately, also he had to live with an injury. We speak about Williams, who played very well in the first half, though we were not tested much. But I think in terms of counter-attacks, he could be able to come in and then hold the ball because he's always up front. He always stands out as a defensive keeper, you know. So he always comes there. So those most balls he could sweep them out, you know. So I think he also had a brilliant game, especially on his legs, you know. Then you speak about Mbogazi, who I think also had a very great game today, though not much tested. But I think in those moments where he was tested, the guy responded quite well. I think also credit to him in the second half where we were short of a right-footed defender. He had to come in on the right side of the defense, and then he played exceptionally well. He did very well playing on the wrong side of his foot. I think the guy, big ups to him at 19 years. I saw Williams feeling safer today, you know. In the presence of Umboga. So I think I did exceptionally well. But credit also to Ndaman, who came in the second half. I think the guy also has got quality. He's an upcoming star. I think the guy is the future of Bafana. We just need to give him a chance also. And then on the left, we had Mudiba, who I think was brilliant, especially in the first half. The goal that he gave to Nkota, that pass, I don't know how he did it, but it's only him who can do it. You know? That pass is exceptional. And he had to find an international player who's in quarter to come and tap it in. First touch is always perfect. Everyone is caught off guard. So I think a brilliant game from Nkota, who have not seen in the past few games because he left us without even a goodbye, you know. So, but it was good to see him and his performance today. Big ups to him. I think the guy, in terms of the way he applies himself, Tibo, is a very brilliant player. Look, for me, he's one of the best one-on-one players that we have in the country. So a lot of people are not seeing him because obviously most people don't watch the players, how they play. They watch the hype. So I think the guy is the player to watch in the coming near future, you know. So he's doing quite well, the boy. But credit to Mrembola, who in the first half, I think, especially after scoring that goal, we were not as creative, but the guy stood up for us. Credit also to Talent Mbata. I think the two guys, they are the future of the team. I think in the manner that they play, they complement each other. When the other one goes up, the other one stays. So I think they play very well. But compliments to the coach who took Master Chef from nowhere, be able to give him a start because no one believed that he was going to start, especially because he was called as a second backup, you know. So credit to him. He came in as a number 10, a different role that he plays in his team. But look, he did exceptionally well. I think the guy under press, he does very well. He can go out of situations. look, I think today he was happy to be playing with his former teammates and his teammates, playing with Rembola and Bumbata, So I think he was playing with his entire PS. So I think he enjoyed his game. To me, look, Master Chef, he might have not created much in terms of the goals, but he contributed, I think, on one of the goals.
Yeah.
So I think he had a great game. Apollos, for me, he had also a fair game. But look, I think Apollos is very dangerous when he turns on to the right and tries to shoot rather than when he goes to the left and tries to cross.
Yeah.
Because I think every time he tried to cross, they can be able to close the cross. So I think that was a bit of a challenge for me. But overall, Stivo, I think Frosler also, look, he did quite well in the manner that he applied himself, especially in the second half where he started now to be creative, started to assist other players. We saw Apollo scoring. So I think in the manner that he applied himself, also Frosler, big ups. He shows that he's an international player.
Yeah.
So I think he came to the big stage today to come and assist the country.
Yeah.
This is the reason why we must pay flights for people to come here and play. You know? They must not come here and play and then they go back there. While we have lost, while we have paid so much flight tickets for them to come here. So I think he did a great job. I think going even to AFCON, we know that at least we've got a focal point that we can work on, the players that we can work around him. We've got a player like Nkota, who's 19 years old, who played with him today. It means that he's got almost 15 years of playing for Bafana. So I think this is the future Bafana that we are watching. We had Mbogas, who was 19 years old today, who we saw him playing.
Yeah.
This is the future Bafana. By the way, people are still considering him as the under 20. But today he was playing as the heart of the defense of Bafana. So those are the facts that we need to also give credit to. So I think Nkota... I think
they must not worry, brother. This is me. I fetched him, brother. I fetched him, brother. Thank you, brother. I fetched him. You see, he's the talk of the town now, so don't worry. The flight that he was talking about for free, it's me, brother.
No, I think Brazil, you need to continuously pay for flight tickets of Frostline and Quarter to come here because the guys contributed massively for us. But look, Steve, credit to Hugo Bruce, who I think has, as a country, since I was born, we have never been in this situation.
Never.
You see, so the guy has made us to no more be numerically talented people, Always we're giving different formulas and situations about qualifying. Tumelo Nkune once celebrated himself while we were not even going, So I think Hugo Bruce, in the manner that he has handled the team and the way that we are as a team, as a country, because everyone now is confident as a country. By the way, since I was born, it is going to be the first time we're going to face Nigeria, where I believe Nigeria is scared to face us. Because all this time there's always been us scared of Nigeria. But this time around, I believe that Nigeria is coming here to come and defend. It's not going to come here to come and want to attack. So I think the confidence that the Hugo Bruce has given us, we must not shy away from crediting him because he has done a massive job. We did bash him when he started. We were part of the people who didn't have confidence with him, but he has proven us wrong. He's doing a great job. I think he must continue in the manner, especially now integrating young players. This shows that now he's no more playing for winning. He's playing for the future. So I think he needs to continue in this manner. Look, the guys that I saw coming in still have got great talent. Me and you, we're still going to see a lot, We're still going to see a lot because the guys, in the manner that they are playing themselves, this is an international team. We are going to compete in the future in the manner that we are playing. Some of the boys like Nkota, they're already abroad, so they are training international. So it's time that most of our young players, we put them in Europe so that at least they can help the national team to build. We have now won the first hurdle. Now we are winning games. So now we need to just add in a bit of more talent and more training around this players that we have. You know, so I think big ups to everyone. But look, today my man of the match, Stivo, I would give credit to Frosler because he scored a goal, created a Foster. He scored a goal and created a goal. So I think, look, other than that, I think he's the best player of the day.
Thank you, Takutsu.
Thanks,
well said, well said, well said.